Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you why you can't find your 2025 YouTube recap and how to fix it. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I want to open up the YouTube recap with my computer, and I have already opened the youtube.com, and we will find our recap right here on our profile. Just go to the U menu and we will find our recap here. On mobile phone, you just need to go to your profile and you will see your recap. Or you can go to the youtube.com/recap. youtube.com/recap. Like this. And you will immediately find your recap. And if the recap is still not there, or if you still can't find your recap, maybe that's because the recap is still not available in your country, guys. And basically, you just need to wait for the recap to come. But if you want to get it sooner, you can try to use a VPN. Wait, I'm going to go to my Google Chrome and you can install VPN. Not installing VPN, but just add VPN to your Chrome extension, and then you can connect to USA. Okay, I'm going to select USA, and after you have connected to USA, you will find your recap. And on your mobile phone, you can also use VPN, or you can try to update your application if you want to open it from your mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all about the 2025 YouTube recap. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!